How to use TD cashback credit card. The first things first is you can do both from your laptop or PC or through your mobile app. Now right now I'm currently using my laptop and I'm using Google Chrome for this tutorial. If you're currently using the same thing as what I'm using right now, then just simply pull up your preferred web browser and then head over to the TD Bank official website. And from here, you just have to make sure that you are logged in with your username and password. Now, using the TD cashback is actually a rewards. So for you to be able to activate it, you'll just have again to log into your account, and then you'll have to go to rewards and then select pay with rewards and then select the card that you wanted to get accumulation of rewards, and then you'll have to enter your payment details, and then last thing is you'll have to review the details before you click on pay now. Now once everything is set, you can go ahead now and go ahead and press on pay now for you to be able to use the cashback from your credit card with TD Bank. So that's how and quick you can use TD Bank cashback for your credit card.